Hello everyone. In continuation with the series of data structure, now we are covering the topic of binary tree traversal. So before its implementation and coding part, let us understand what the traversal means. The traversal is basically the order or the process how we reach each node of the binary tree and perform the operations, that is insertion, deletion, etc. on the binary tree. So our data structure allow three methods or the pattern of how to traverse the binary tree. There are three methods. The first method is the pre-order traversal, second is in-order traversal, and third is the post-order traversal. So first of all we will understand these tree traversal method one by one. So here is the first method, that is pre-order traversal. Now in this pre-order traversal we will first visit the root node and print it out or perform the operation on that, and then we will visit to the left subtree and then to the right subtree. So in this way the pre-order traversal will be performed on the binary tree. So first of all we understand this pre-order traversal by using an example. Now according to the pre-order traversal we will first traverse the root node, that is the 12, and print its value. Now we will look for left and right subtree. Now the node consists of left and right also, so we will traverse the left subtree first and we will push the right subtree node onto the stack for backtracking. So in this way the process will search or traverse each node and the operation will be performed on the tree till the leaf node or the end node of the tree is reached. Let us have a look on the algorithm of the pre-order traversal. So in this pre-order traversal algorithm, first of all we will initialize the traversal pointer, that is p is equal to start. Then first of all our algorithm will check for left and right pointer, that is the p of left and p of right are having null value. Then we will simply print the data value of the node, else three cases arises. In the first case we will check for left and right pointer not having the null value. Then we have to just push the right pointer or the right subtree onto the stack and we will traverse for the left subtree. In the second case there is only the left child or the left subtree of the pointer and the right subtree is having the null value. Then we have to just print the value of the node and traverse its left child till the leaf node is found. In the third case there is only the right subtree and the left pointer is having the null value. Then we have to just push the right pointer onto the stack. After that we have to repeat from step 2 until all the nodes of the left subtree get traversed. Then we have to pop the right subtree node from the stack and traverse it in the pre-order form. So repeat from the step 2 until all the nodes get traversed or some terminating condition is satisfied. So in this way the pre-order traversal is performed. Now let us understand the programming code for pre-order traversal in binary tree. Now in this programming code, first of all we will check for our binary tree to be empty or not. For that we have used the if loop. If p of left and p of right is null, that means we have the statement, that is the tree is empty, else the three case arises. In the first case the left tree is empty, that is having the null value, and the right tree or the subtree not null. Then we have to push the right node onto the stack for further traversal, and then the second case arises if the first case is not satisfied. In the second case the right pointer is having or the right child is having the null value, then we have to traverse the pre-order traversal of the left subtree. Otherwise, the last case is that both the left and right subtree are not having the null value. Then in that case we have to just traverse left subtree and put the right subtree onto the stack. And at last we have to pop the value from the stack for traversing the right subtree of the pre-order traversal of binary tree. This program will run after creating the binary tree. So here is the output of the pre-order traversal of the binary tree. So in this lecture we have covered the topic of pre-order traversal in binary tree. In the upcoming video we will cover the topic of in-order traversal in binary trees. So till then, like, share and subscribe my channel.